Hey Guiding Bolt viewers, here's another in our Harry Potter Christmas series. I'm going to show you how I made these cute little book ornaments. So they are pretty simple. You just print out on cardstock these book jackets and then just fold them like you normally would a book jacket. And then here is the secret. I used these little miniature post-it notes for the pages. So instead of cutting out a whole bunch of 2-inch pages, I just used these and they look like real pages. You stick them in the book just like that. And then it's pretty simple. I just used a hot glue gun, and for this top piece, if you can see that, all I used were these little fish hook earrings. I used these on one other project that I did for Harry Potter, but I just used one of these fish hooks and then I straightened, or earring hooks, and I just straightened it out, and then I laid it along the spine, hot glued it, stuck the pages in, and then this part of the jacket just gets folded around the edges just like a normal book jacket would be. And then you just need some type of ribbon to hang it from the tree, and then you have little Harry Potter miniature books. So I will link the products that I used down below, and then I will also link the PDF to the book jackets that I found that was the best. Some of them fit a little bit differently. This one fit perfectly. So I'll link that down below. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks so much for watching.